Hey guys, I just got my Domino's pizza and we're going to do a little unboxing. I paid for this. It was $20.40. But let's see what it's like. Okay, first of all, I love these brownies. They're so freaking good. Not sure how I feel about the marinara being in here, but I appreciate the fact that you actually remembered it. So I'll let that slide. Now, the pizza. I got like a 3-cheese pan. Wow, it actually looks good. Yummy. And it's hot. And it's great. Thanks. I mean, I really got nothing for doing this, and I was expecting it to be a total disaster, but it's pretty good. Thank you.